This is Dr. Smita Suryavanshi. I'm presenting myself as a HOD for Computer Applications Department. I'll be sharing my screen with you all. Yeah. This is a department of Masters in Architecture in Computer Applications. This is the part of STES Sinhagad College of Architecture from Pune city. This is one of the first kind of department in the whole India which is made for students in architecture thinking about the futuristic computer applications in architecture, field of architecture. Some of the course details that this is this is a full-time 2-year course, and the core subjects are digital design studio, digital tools and techniques, as well as digital design theory. Research is one of the important part of the syllabus. On the right hand side, you can see the digital design studio output from the students. Some of the core subjects include smart materials and advanced construction considering the futuristic architecture, professional practice related to digital architecture and how the students can go for digital architectural output. Digital design project is the final year and the final semester subject, which is in simple language, which is called as thesis. The technical core subjects are digital fabrications, automated design, building, automation, computer graphics, interaction design, and allied subjects are elective. Through electives, you are going to learn many things related to environmental architecture, economics also, psychology in architecture also. I'll show you a few glimpses of what is the syllabus. All this that is made up of 4 semesters. The first semester is made up of 6 subjects, and the total credits are going to be 25 credits. Out of 6 subjects, 2 subjects are theory subjects. Rest of each and every subject is going to be sessional. In the semester 2, you are going to have 6 subjects again, out of which 2 subjects are having theory. In the third semester also you are having 2 theory subjects and total 6 subjects. Here you are going to end up with the research project which is going to be published as a paper, which we always encourage all the students to publish their papers. Apart from that, the final semester is consisting of 2 subjects only, so the students can put more efforts into their projects. That is a digital design project, that is a thesis. So the students will be able to focus more on the digital design output. And the elective field, elective 3 is going to be a multidisciplinary elective. So the overall setup is made accordingly that the students can have the overall development in digital architecture or futuristic architecture. We always arrange the industrial visits for the students to understand the subjects and the relationship of the industry and the each and every subjects. Under this, we are tie up with some industries in Pune city. Those are Auto Clusters, Kakade Lasers, Sri Arts. You can see the products which are made from by the students, the installations made by the students on the right hand side. These are some of the installations made by the students. This is a part of sofa. The right red color, which you can see, is a part of a sofa. This is waffle system which is used, and the human installations are made by measuring them their own anthropomorphy. And the left one corner side shows you the kinetic facades, a unit, a module which is designed by the students and how it is going to be operated. We always arrange study tours also and site visits also. These are some of the glimpses of Goa Mapusa slum redevelopment project, which we have undertook for the digital design studio. Along with site visits, we always encourage the students and we take them to the office visits who are practicing in the field of digital architecture or futuristic architecture, which is also called as parametric architecture. Few glimpses from the architect Gerald D. Chuna, where the students visited and they discussed with him the future of this subject as well as what he had done in this field and how he is succeeding into this field. Apart from that, there is another studio in Goa, that is SAB Architectural Studio. We visited there also, and we have seen the products which are made by them, a- along with smart materials which are developed by that specific studio. Apart from theory classes, we always encourage the students to participate in the workshops, because workshops makes the students to understand each and every subjects in detail. The Purplex workshop was designed and collaborated with Purplex as a better workshop, and the design fabrication is made out of it, and the pictures of the workshop output, our final installations are something like this. The left hand side corner installation is a unit which is made up of plastic sheets. This is made up of gunny bags, and this is made up of rope, and the rope installation can stand on its own. The installations are made within 3 days. Each and every student participated into it, parameters were considered, and everything was installed within the 3 days. You can see the pictures of how the installations were made, and the students are participating in each and every activity of this workshop. Apart from that, for UG courses also, we have conducted some of the workshops at several colleges in Karnataka, in Maharashtra, and in Madhya Pradesh also. These are some of the outputs related to those workshops, which is related to slicing and wafer system and parametric architecture, along with digital facades also. These are the facades which are developed by the students, and those are the design outputs are put up in these slides. Apart from that, guest lectures, like lecture series, we always conduct, which includes architect Rajesh Shinde from DIM consultant, from Helsinki, who is a part of consultant from Helsinki Toyota Finland. Dr. Ashwini Pete, who is a principal of MIT College of Architecture, Pune, also collaborated with us for her training the students in digital architecture. Ravi Patwardhan and Tejas Naik are renowned urban designers in Pune city, who always visit to our department for guide the students in urban design projects. Renowned architects like Rajiv Raje comes to our department always to guide the students for professional digital training. Apart from that, we always arrange guest lectures like Nachiket Gujar, who is a product designer and industrial designer also. This all together developed students in such a way that they are taking interest, and they have produced some of the better examples in product designing also, as well as academic work also, which you can see on the screen. These are some of the screenshots which are taken from the students' work, which gives you the glimpses of what kind of works they are doing. The left hand side corner is Pune's old city development, which they have done. The right hand side is the hostel block which they have designed. Currently, Pune is undergoing with the metro work to secure the noise and noise pollution and the vibrations. What kind of measures they can take, these are shown through this students' academic work. Apart from academic work, we always provide the facility for the students' achievements at national level also and international level also. One of our student, Anurag Sapkota, had gathered I'll say award in BN Shirke PCRF Vidyarthi Award competition in 2017. At the same time, Alok Karadkar had achieved second prize in Kirloskar Vasundhara International Film Festival, which is called as a Ramnadi photo walk competition. So apart from academic work, we always encourage students to go for cultural activities also, that develops their overall surrounding. Research is one of the best subject which you need to be progressive in this subjects. We are encouraging the students to publish their papers in various conferences. Jairaj Ghadge had explored and presented the paper in exploration of bamboo as a construction material to adapt to parametric forms in National Conference on Research in Architecture, as well as architect Pushkar Jogekar is another student who had published the paper in Neuroarchitecture, a relationship between neuroscience and architecture. This conference was national level conference was organized by Skills and Architectural on the subject of skills and architectural education, a new paradigm at Symbiosis School of Architecture. We always encourage the students to participate in the competitions also. The current screen shows you the current students of second year who were selected as first 10 among first 100 teams all over India. This competition was known as NT-Kochi Urban Design Competition, which was organized by Kochi Corporation, and the students participated into their two projects. I will shortly let you know about the faculty who are currently working. I myself am Dr. Smita Suryavanshi, who is working as a head of department. I have done my PhD into inclusive design from IIT Roorkee. Apart from that, Anita Kavdekar madam, who is an associate professor, is currently pursuing her doctoral degrees from IIT Kharagpur. Ashwini Shitole, who is a researcher and smart material as a inventor, who is assistant professor at our department, who is alumni of our department. Architect Shruti Dange and architect Snehal Gade are the another faculty who are passed out from BNCA College of Pune, who have had their master's degree in digital architecture. For the surrounding development and the overall development of students, we have encouraged the faculties to come to our department who are from various different departments. Nikhil Shezwalkar is a geographer who is expert in GIS software. Vignesh Iyer is MURP, that is a urban planner, who is working as a chief architect on Solapur Smart City Development. Ravindra Apre is a computer science who is a researcher and working on artificial intelligence. His knowledge of artificial intelligence is going to be helping us into interactive design subject. Engineer Bhushan Burande is a transportation and planner who is working on sea road development in Konkan area, which is a government project by Maharashtra government. Abhishek Boi is a sustainable architect, practicing architect, and who is having a strong research background. Apart from that, Priyanka Kulkarni is a landscape architect and who is working on large scale project. Participation of her in our academic field is helping us, the students, to think overall development of each and every subject in our field, that is computer applications. I welcome all of you to our department. I would like to say that for future practicing architects, those are among yourself only, necessary to learn future architecture, which is possible at our department. Come and join hands for better learning outcomes as well as giving you the better opportunity in future. I thank this platform and the webinar organizers for giving us an opportunity to showcase our department. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think students are going to find this one very interesting because it includes innovation in hand with architecture, and I was really impressed to see the Perplex webinar, workshop,
yes,
which had these different what do you say? I don't know what to call it. Those beautifully made. It's so inspiring that there are courses which Indian students are unaware of. Thank you for enlightening. Oh,
I would like to just add one point into this presentation that we could not compile the whole data. Our alumni is also strong, but we could not compile the whole data because of short of time. And shortly we are having participation by Italy College of Architecture also. That is from Italy. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.